Ever since I couldn't see the chalkboard in high school, I've been on top of my eye health game. But now, I just aged myself, but as I'm aging now and I'm on screens more and more, I've been even more aware of my eye health. And of course, I'm thinking about this for my kids too, because they've grown up on screens. That's why I am super excited to be joining OmniActive Health Technologies for its Lutein for Every Age initiative. Carotenoids, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are antioxidants, my favorite nutrition word. They're responsible for those bright yellows, reds, oranges, and even greens we see in foods, including yams, kale, spinach, watermelon, cantaloupe, mango, you name some more. While there are over 600 carotenoids that are found in nature, only lutein and zeaxanthin are found in the eye. They're concentrated in the macula of our eyes and protect cells in the eyes. So getting enough through diet or supplementation is super important for eye health throughout our lives. So to add another layer here, we live in a blue world. Photooxidation, friends, the production of free radicals from exposure to light, is the most common form of damage that can occur in the retina. Kids are in front of screens too. We know kids spend an average of 4.13 hours a day using a digital device. That's over 1,500 hours a year. Because they can't make macular carotenoids, dietary intake and or supplementation is the only way to ensure optimal levels in the retina to protect against daily blue light exposure. There is a study coming soon that I cannot wait to share with you. But in the meantime, go check out healthyeyesandbrain.com.